Your kidneys are like the unsung heroes of your body, filtering out toxins and keeping everything in balance. But here's the scary part. Kidney problems are skyrocketing, and most people don't notice until the damage is done. The good news? You can spot the warning signs early and take action with simple, natural strategies. Let's uncover the 7 signs you need to know. Before we jump into the signs, let's talk about why your kidneys are such a big deal. These bean-shaped powerhouses, tucked just below your rib cage, filter your blood, flush out waste, and keep your blood pressure steady. They also balance minerals like calcium and potassium, activate vitamin D for strong bones, and even help make red blood cells. When your kidneys aren't happy, your whole body feels it. So let's make sure you can catch trouble early. Let's start with the most obvious clue: your urine. Your kidneys make pee, so when something's off, your bathroom habits will tell you. Are you peeing more or less than usual? Maybe you're waking up multiple times at night to go, or you feel the urge but barely anything comes out. That could point to a kidney stone or blockage. Even more concerning, if your pee looks foamy, like the froth on a latte, or it's discolored, think red, brown, or even purple. Foamy urine often means too much protein is leaking out, a red flag for kidney damage. Blood in your urine, called hematuria, could signal infections, stones, or something more serious. Don't brush it off, especially if it keeps happening. Check in with your doctor to get to the root of it. Ever feel like you're dragging, even after a full night's sleep? If you're constantly tired, weak, or struggling to focus, your kidneys might be to blame. Healthy kidneys produce a hormone called erythropoietin, which helps make red blood cells to carry oxygen around your body. When your kidneys falter, fewer red blood cells mean less oxygen, leaving you zapped. If even simple tasks like taking a shower or walking to the mailbox feel like climbing a mountain, it's time to listen up. Fatigue can have many causes, so a quick blood test can help confirm if your kidneys are the culprit. Waking up with puffy eyes or noticing your ankles, feet, or hands looking swollen. That's not just a bad night's sleep or too much salt. When your kidneys aren't filtering properly, extra fluid and sodium build up in your body, causing swelling or edema. This tends to show up in your lower legs or around your eyes due to gravity. Swelling can also point to low protein levels or issues with your liver or heart, so don't ignore it. If you're puffing up regularly, it's time to check in with a healthcare pro to pinpoint the cause. Feeling winded doing everyday things like climbing stairs or even lying down. While we often link shortness of breath to heart or lung issues, your kidneys could be the hidden cause. When they're not filtering well, extra fluid can back up into your lungs, making it hard to breathe. Plus, low red blood cell counts from kidney trouble can starve your body of oxygen. If you feel like you're gasping for air, especially when lying flat, don't wait. See a doctor ASAP. This one's serious. If your skin feels like sandpaper or you're itching like crazy, your kidneys might be sending an SOS. They're supposed to balance minerals like phosphorus and calcium, but when they're struggling, toxins pile up in your blood, causing irritation. Your skin might even turn yellowish or brownish as waste builds up. This isn't just a skincare issue, it's a sign something deeper is off. If lotions and creams aren't helping, talk to your doctor about your kidneys. Fun fact: dermatologists sometimes catch kidney issues before anyone else. Ever notice your food tastes like you're chewing on pennies, or your breath smells off no matter how much you brush? That's a classic kidney red flag. When your kidneys can't filter toxins properly, a waste product called urea builds up in your blood, causing a metallic taste and funky breath. You might even lose your appetite or feel nauseous just thinking about food. If this sounds familiar, don't chalk it up to bad oral hygiene. Get it checked out. Your kidneys might need some love. Tossing and turning all night. Kidney trouble could be keeping you awake. When toxins build up in your blood, they can mess with your sleep cycle. Some folks even develop sleep apnea, where breathing stops and starts during the night, leading to loud snoring or gasping. If you're exhausted but can't get solid rest, your kidneys might be part of the problem. A sleep study or kidney check could shed light on what's going on. Before we get to the solutions, let's talk about 2 major kidney wreckers: high blood pressure and diabetes. These aren't symptoms, but they're massive risk factors. High blood pressure damages the tiny blood vessels in your kidneys, while uncontrolled diabetes thickens your blood, putting extra strain on those vessels. Here's the kicker. Kidney damage can also cause high blood pressure, creating a vicious cycle. If you have either condition or a family history of kidney issues, regular checkups are non-negotiable. Knowledge is power. All right, now for the good stuff. How to keep your kidneys happy and healthy naturally. These tips are simple, science-backed, and easy to weave into your daily routine. Tip number 1. Stay hydrated the right way. Water is your kidney's best friend. Aim for 6-8 glasses of water a day to help flush out toxins and prevent kidney stones. Warm or room temperature water is even better. It's easier on your system. A study showed that drinking a liter of warm water in just 30 minutes slashed kidney stress markers like creatinine by 20%. Pro tip: sip throughout the day, not all at once, to avoid overwhelming your system. Tip number 2. Move your body daily. Exercise isn't just for your waistline, it's a kidney lifesaver. Regular movement helps keep your blood pressure in check and boosts circulation, which your kidneys love. You don't need to run a marathon. 30 minutes of walking, cycling, swimming, or yoga daily does the trick. Bonus: it's great for your mood too. Tip number 3. Watch your meds. Overusing painkillers like ibuprofen or certain antibiotics can stress your kidneys out. These meds are packed with toxins your kidneys have to work overtime to clear. If you're on these regularly, talk to your doctor about kidney-safe alternatives, especially if you've got existing kidney issues. Always follow dosage instructions to the letter. Tip number 4. Eat kidney-friendly foods. Your diet can make or break your kidney health. Load up on antioxidant-rich fruits and veggies like berries, leafy greens, and bell peppers to fight inflammation. Swap processed foods for whole grains, and go easy on salt and sugar to keep blood pressure and blood sugar stable. Foods like cranberries, parsley, and celery are natural kidney cleansers. Toss them into your meals for an extra boost. Tip number 5. Get regular checkups. If you're over 60, have a history of low birth weight, or a family history of kidney or heart issues, don't skip your annual checkups. A simple blood or urine test can catch problems early when they're easier to fix. Prevention is always better than a cure. Want a little extra kidney love? Here's a bonus tip to keep you watching. Brew a soothing cup of nettle leaf tea. Nettle is a natural diuretic that helps flush out toxins and reduce inflammation in your kidneys. Steep 1-2 teaspoons of dried nettle leaves in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip once a day. Add a touch of honey if you like, but check with your doctor first if you're on meds or have health conditions.